Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Choosing the right graphics card is fundamental to your PC's performance, especially for gaming. Today, we're comparing two very different options: the ultra-efficient MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 and the more powerful AISURIX RX 580 graphics card. Which GPU is the right fit for your budget and computing needs? This video provides a clear, concise, and fact-based comparison, helping you understand their core differences and decide. Let's begin with raw performance, which is often the deciding factor for graphics cards. The MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is an entry-level card based on NVIDIA's Pascal architecture. It typically comes with 2 GB of GDDR5 VRAM and features 384 CUDA cores. This card is designed for extremely light gaming, such as older esports titles at low settings, or for general desktop use and media consumption. Its performance in modern AAA games is very limited, often struggling to reach playable frame rates even at 1080p with minimal settings. In stark contrast, the AISURIX RX 580 graphics card is a significantly more powerful mid-range option, built on AMD's Polaris architecture. It typically features a generous 8 GB of GDDR5 VRAM and boasts 2304 stream processors. This makes the RX 580 capable of handling 1080p gaming with good performance in many modern titles and excellent frame rates in popular esports games. The 8 GB VRAM is a major pro, as it's crucial for playing newer games without hitting memory bottlenecks. If you're finding this helpful, remember to check the link for the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 in the description. Moving on to power consumption and system requirements, a critical difference between these two cards. The MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is incredibly power efficient, with a thermal design power, or TDP, of only about 30 watts. This is a massive pro, as it means the GT 1030 does not require any external PCIe power connectors, drawing all its power directly from the motherboard. This makes it ideal for older PCs with weak power supplies or compact systems. It's often found in low-profile designs too. The AISURIX RX 580 graphics card, on the other hand, has a much higher TDP, typically around 185 watts. This is a con for older or basic systems, as the RX 580 absolutely requires an 8-pin or 6+2-pin PCIe power connector from your power supply. This means you need a more robust power supply unit, generally 500 watts or higher, to run it reliably. See how the AISURIX RX 580 graphics card performs for yourself via our link below. For display outputs and cooling, the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 typically offers HDMI and DVI-D ports, making it suitable for standard monitor setups. Its low power consumption often allows for compact, single-fan, or even passive, silent cooling solutions, which is a pro for quiet builds. The AISURIX RX 580 graphics card usually comes with a variety of ports, including DisplayPort and HDMI, supporting more modern monitor connections. Due to its higher power draw and heat output, it requires more substantial cooling, typically featuring dual-fan designs. While these fans keep it cool, they can be louder under load compared to the whisper-quiet GT 1030. A point of trust building. While the RX 580 itself is a capable GPU, generic brands like AISURIX might sometimes utilize refurbished chips, so checking user reviews on the specific listing is always recommended. So, which graphics card is the ultimate winner? For the vast majority of users who want to play actual PC games at 1080p resolution, even on a budget, the AISURIX RX 580 graphics card ultimately takes the crown. Its significantly higher VRAM, greater processing power, and overall superior gaming performance make it the clear choice for any form of modern gaming beyond basic indie titles. However, if your needs are strictly limited to basic desktop use, media playback, or building an extremely low-power, quiet home theater PC where gaming is not a priority, then the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is the winner due to its ultra-low power consumption and lack of external power requirements. While both are graphics cards, their intended uses and capabilities are worlds apart. Whichever product sparks your interest, you can find both MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 and AISURIX RX 580 graphics card conveniently linked in the description below for the latest prices and details. If this comparison helped you out, hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.